Hello, it's Mark, and here we are doing some tech tales here. Got my GoPro on. We're doing a Surface Pro 4 data recovery. This is the last Surface that you were able to remove the hard drive. They started to join the boat that Apple's on where the hard drive soldered to the board now, but luckily I knew that I could get the data off for this guy, so we just heated up 80 degrees Celsius on the heater, grabbed the plastic pry tool and some alcohol, and we'll break the adhesive free, get the screen off, take the hard drive out, and recover this guy's data. He was excited as could be. Please don't mind how messy the floor is. I'm so sorry, but this is my tech tale of living as a tech, trying to get the data off this device. My place is a mess. I got like 4 MacBooks taken apart, a custom build, a PS5, just working on all of these devices. Anyways, thank you for enjoying one of my other videos, because I'm hoping you are a return viewer, but I don't think this video is going to get a lot of views, but it's just fun to make and fun to show that you can get the data off the Surface Pro 4 just like this. Since we had no plan on fixing this thing, we'll just get out some metal pry tool and pry out these metal brackets, not brackets, I don't know, shields. They're just in the way of the hard drive. I don't mind if I bend it up, whatever. Grab a T5 screwdriver and unscrew the screw holding down the NVMe SSD. Wonder what storage size it is. 256, what a jip. Alright, well, we will try to retrieve this data. Got my desk of a mess right here, all these cables everywhere, things taken apart. My HDMI isn't plugged into my computer. Alright, we'll get this thing connected and then we'll get the data off. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.